Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you an off-the-grid shipping container cabin in Cañon City, Colorado. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing modern container cabin. Good, welcome back. This project was designed as a family retreat sitting on 35 acres for a client who has been visiting the southern Colorado area for decades. The project is assembled with the structural and weather-tight use of shipping containers designed by Tomecek Studio Architecture. The cabin is built using 4 40-foot shipping containers, 3 of which were cut in half to create 6 20-foot containers, forming a total of 1,280 square feet of modern living, plus a protected outdoor courtyard space. The containers and panels are structurally reinforced and custom fitted with high-performance floor-to-ceiling glazing to allow in maximum daylighting and cross ventilation. On the ground floor, a pair of 20-foot containers accommodate an open-plan living room with a lounge space and a dining area. A portion of the 40-footer accommodates the kitchen, the entrance lobby, and a mechanical room. The second pair of 20-foot containers is arranged in parallel to accommodate a guest bedroom and a bathroom. The 2 pairs of containers are set apart to create a beautiful, sheltered outdoor deck. The private guest quarters is accessed directly from the exterior deck. The house has a single flight staircase leading to the first floor story. The home has a 3rd pair of centrally located 20-foot containers elevated on the first floor level to accommodate an ensuite master bedroom. The elevated pair of containers also serves as a protective canopy over the entrance and also a shelter to the rear deck below. The rear deck is sheltered from the prevailing northwestern winds by design, whilst providing unobstructed, picturesque views of the mountain ranges beyond. The shipping containers retain their original identity, both inside and out. The corrugated container walls are visible throughout the exterior and painted green to blend the house into its agrarian landscape. The original container plywood floors with scratches and dents are left intact to bring out the rustic industrial vibe of the cabin. The celebration of the industrial vibe of the entire cabin is quite commendable. Which part of this cabin appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.